What's up, guys? If you've been following my channel for a little bit now, probably about a couple weeks, you know that I just got a new front bumper and I'm having a little bit of an issue with it. I'll just show you that right now. Alright, how fitting. It's already all popped out. My bumper is not supported in any way. Yeah, basically the bumper can just come off whenever it wants. Alright guys, I'm in the garage now, and just want to show you my car loves me so much that it knew I was going to work on it, so the bumper came undone. Isn't it such a smart car? So smart. Alright Roy, shut up and get to the point. So, this is the package. That's the company. Pretty small. It should be pretty easy. Alright, where I'm putting it is right in this square right here. And this one, there's a screw in there. You can't see it. But that's where I'm going to be mounting it. So, that's all it is. It's these two little button things for the actual release, and then the hardware and the little penis thing that goes into it. A quick little demonstration for all my visual learners out there. So this is, as I stated before, the gentleman's sausage, and basically the way this works is you're going to retain it using a nut like that. LOL, he said nut. Then you're gonna have whatever it's mounted into like that, and then on the back side of it you put a washer, and then you put the other nut. LOL, he said nut again. Like that. And then you tighten them against each other so that it's firmly grasping it. Then, on the other side, on the bumper, you drill a hole for this. You stick that in. That's what she said. Then you tighten this against the back of it so that it's like that, and it's sealed onto it, or tightened onto it, onto the bumper. And then, like the birds and the bees, this part goes into this part, and then it locks, and it's on there tight, and you press the button and it releases it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you don't understand this, then I don't know, play video games or something. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty neat. Alright, all I should need for this job is a drill, a 10mm ratchet, a 10mm wrench, and a Christmas tree bit that's big enough to drill the holes I need. A cool trick I use whenever I'm drilling through something and I can't see where I'm drilling in the back of it. What a lot of people like to use is toothpaste, really any kind of paste or thing that will like stick. Anything like this is good enough, and yeah. got it all hooked up. As you can see here, comes off, and then it just clicked back on. So that's that side done. It's pretty good. It's pretty solid. I thought it would be a little more, I don't know, I thought it'd be a little more janky. But yeah, that's solid. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do next with the car. I've got a big ticket coming up. It's probably gonna be for like $700. I hired a lawyer and hopefully I'll win it. If I do, I think I'm going to take the money that I would have spent towards the ticket and buy something else. Something at $700. So I think you guys can guess what I want. But yeah, only time will tell. Like I said, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to drop a like down below. It really helps me out. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this with this car. I always post videos with this car if you're new. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.
Bye.